Are you really going after Sasuke, Deidara?
I told you, Toby. I've made up my mind to defeat Sasuke.
If you say so, but don't blame me if Itachi gets mad at you later.
That's not your concern. Anyway, just shut up for a minute. I'm busy coming up with the most artistic way to dispose of Sasuke.
That again? You call it art, but isn't it just blowing stuff up?
Are you looking for a fight? Don't even talk about my art, you cretin!
Mad again. You really got temper issues, Deidara. But really, your art isn't classy or sophisticated or anything. There's just a big boom and that's it.
Toby.
Yes?
It's clearly time I gave you a crash course in what my art is.
Hey, what are you mad about?
It's a matter of pride for an artist. I won't let anyone mock my art, friend or not.
Deidara?
Prepare yourself, Toby!
You're kidding!
Art is an explosion! I'll make you vanish into a puff of smoke with my art!
This is crazy! I'm out of here!
Mission start.
That cretin, using these against me!
Time out, Deidara! Let's talk this over!
You'll see how high the price is for insulting my art!
Obliterate you!
I'll make this spectacular!
I'm gonna obliterate you!
Get ready! I'm gonna teach you a lesson!
Take that explosion! Take that explosion!
Deidara, wait! This seriously hurts!
Take that explosion! Take that explosion!
If I can get out of here, I'm totally gonna be toast!
Take that!
Hey, you! Come back here!
Catch me if you can!
You won't get away with mocking me. I'm gonna smash you!
Oopsie, I guess I got carried away, huh? I'm out of here!
I'm gonna obliterate you! Take that explosion! Take that explosion! You're in the way!
Idiot! He's trying to make a fool out of me! I'll make this spectacular!
I'm gonna obliterate you!
Wow! You're totally super powerful!
Take that explosion!
Deidara, wait! This seriously hurts!
I'll make this spectacular!
Deidara, you're such a meanie!
I'm gonna obliterate you!
I'll make this spectacular!
I'm gonna obliterate you!
I'm really gonna let you have it!
Go!
Deidara, wait! This seriously hurts!
Take that explosion! Take that explosion! All out loud attack! Take that explosion!
You're totally super powerful!
I'll make this spectacular! I'm gonna obliterate you!
Idiot! He's trying to make a fool out of me!
I'll make this spectacular! I'm gonna obliterate you!
Won't let you off this time! I'm really gonna let you have it!
Explosion! Take that explosion! Take that explosion! Take that!
Idiot! He's trying to make a fool out of me!
Take that explosion!
Get ready! I'm gonna teach you a lesson!
Take that explosion!
Deidara, wait! This seriously hurts!
Toby, wasting my time like this.
I'm gonna obliterate you!
Deidara, are you tired? This might be my chance to beat you!
Take that explosion! Explosion! Take that explosion! I'll make this spectacular!
Deidara, you're such a meanie!
Obliterate you!
Boom!
I'll make this spectacular!
Boom! Boom!
Stop running and hold still, Toby!
I'll make this spectacular! I'm gonna obliterate you!
This is where I draw the line!
Deidara, you're just too strong! Retreat!
Get back here! Get ready! I'm gonna teach you a lesson!
I'll make this spectacular!
Deidara, cut it out, huh? We're friends,
I'll
right?
obliterate you!
Anyone who insults my art is my enemy!
Spectacular!
No way!
I hope you're ready for
I'll make
this.
this spectacular!
Okay, if you say so. But you know I'm pretty strong, right?
Obliterate you!
Bring it on! But I won't go easy on you. As mouthy as you are, nobody would guess you're my follower. Mission complete.
Wait! Time out, Deidara! Even I can't survive all this!
Relax, Toby. I'll end your pain with my best work of all.
Eh?
Close your eyes, Toby. And when you open them, you'll be in a pretty field of flowers.
Ooh, that sounds nice. Hey, wait!
give my regards to Sasori, Toby.
Deidara, okay, I get it. Your art is awesome. It's the best.
It's too late for that now.
But wait, we're supposed to be looking for Sasuke, right? We're just wasting time messing around here. Plus, you shouldn't be so wasteful with your detonating clay. Let's conserve our precious natural resources and stuff, okay?
You have a point. I guess I'll let you off for now.
Whew, that was close.
Don't think I'm finished with you, Toby. You're just next in line after Sasuke, that's all.
I'm tired.